Welcome back to Good Day Oregon. We want to take you outside now live for a look from our Portland Shriners Hospital's camera. We're just days away from the Providence Bridge Pedal. On Sunday, bicyclists will get the opportunity to take over many of the city's bridges as they're closed off to cars. Fox's Marilyn Deutsch shows us how the event will benefit some of the most vulnerable in our community.
I grew up here in the Portland area and really kind of battled with drugs and alcohol for a very long time.
But now John Sherman, with other peer specialists, helps others who are in the same situation he once was. John works for the Providence BOB program. BOB is in B-O-B. That stands for Better Outcomes Through Bridges. He meets Oregon's most vulnerable when they are at their worst.
We work with our behavioral health and crisis patients who are coming into our emergency departments.
John knows what it's like to hit bottom.
Eventually, I was able to find a way out. It took me getting very close to dying in Salem Hospital, but I turned it around, and that was almost 8 years ago now.
This year, Providence Bridge Pedal raises money for the BOB program. It will be a joyous community event.
The highlight of each bridge pedal is we get to close for a few wonderful hours the upper decks of both the Markham and the Fremont bridges.
But the focus will also be on those in desperate need. While sometimes the city's problems seem impossible to solve, John is here to say, not so.
There's been some struggle, but it's been much better than it ever was before. Before I got sober, all of my relationships were completely shattered as a result of my drinking and using. And in the last seven to 8 years, you know, almost everything has come back to where it's supposed to be.
Back in touch with his daughter now, he's also married and has a granddaughter. Hope instead of despair, a message he tries to give to others. Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day Oregon.
Again, Providence Bridge Pedal is this Sunday. Well, apparently